Hi, it's Megan again. We have arrived at my favorite topic, space views. Space views allow you to visualize and organize your cards in various formats. They are the true power of KanBo. Let me tell you about each of them a little bit. Here we go. You are already familiar with the Kanban view. It is a popular choice for many users. It displays cards grouped horizontally and allows you to manage them easily by drag and drop. While we are talking about grouping, it is worth mentioning we can add another dimension of value and get a double grouping, Kanban Swimlanes. Let's add vertical grouping by statuses. Kanban Swimlanes allows you to organize cards both horizontally and vertically at the same time, like a chessboard. For example, the green marathon card has the ideas status and the outdoor label. For those who prefer a more straightforward and vertically oriented layout, the list view is a great option. It displays cards in a list format, grouped together in columns. This view is ideal for quickly scanning tasks. It's the mobile user's favorite option. What if you have a project with more data to track that starts to not fit on the screen? When you want to see more card details at once, you should try the table view. It resembles an Excel spreadsheet, allowing you to view cards as rows in a table. All card details, like statuses or assigned users, are presented in columns, which are fully adjustable. Table view allows you to quickly compare and contrast different pieces of information. Great option for big projects. Now, let's move to the next space view, calendar. For cards with specific deadlines and time-related aspects, the calendar view is invaluable. It provides a representation of all card dates and reminders, allowing you to easily schedule, plan, and track your tasks. With the 1 month or 1 week layout, we can focus on current tasks. But what if our project is a long-term one? We need to change the scale. In that case, it's best to jump to the Gantt Chart view. Time is presented here in the form of a horizontal line. We can change its scale from days to months, for example. As you can see, our event is in June and now we have November. Do we really wait until June to start work? Actually, we're working on that project right now. So, maybe we should use KanBo features and start to manage our workload. We have 3 big tasks to manage. The Gantt chart view is perfect for projects with a lot of task dependencies and complexities. It presents a bar chart that illustrates the schedule of your tasks. You can easily view card durations, start, and due dates of all related subcards. This view is particularly beneficial for project managers and those who need a comprehensive overview of the project time dependencies. If you need to prioritize your tasks and focus on what needs to be done first, the timeline view is your go-to. It displays cards in the same horizontal timeline format. So where's the difference? Let's enable card grouping by users and see Robin's case. Timeline view ignores card relations and helps you understand the sequential order of tasks, facilitating effective project execution. Robin has 3 cards to complete. Let's organize them one after another to help her stay focused on one thing at a time. Don't forget that our event is in June. We must prepare much earlier, so I need to rearrange Robin's cards a little bit. Okay, that's fine. I think it's time to discover the last space view, mind map. For those who prefer a more visual and intuitive way of organizing information, the mind map view is a powerful tool. It allows you to graphically represent tasks and their relationships in a hierarchical and interconnected manner. This view is great for brainstorming, planning, and visualizing project structures. It's a wonderful tool for showing dependencies between tasks, especially parent and child card relations. But how to understand card relations exactly? You may learn about them in the next video. Feel invited, but first, Let's sum up the space views usage. Do you remember them all? There are 7 basic space views. Kanban and list view are popular options for task-oriented work. They differ from each other in the type of grouping. The first is horizontal. The second is vertical. Table view is great when you're dealing with a lot of data. The next 3 views are closely related to time. The calendar will work well for short-term projects. Use Gantt Chart and timeline for long-term ones. If you prefer to arrange the cards according to your own ideas, or you are in the planning stage, choose Mind Map. You should absolutely try them all. See you soon in the next video.